Oh, you started? Okay, sorry. Hi, welcome to Rep Studio, and today we are unboxing the HUION H1161. Okay, you can see here in front of me. So I just got this last week, and today I'm going to unbox this pen tablet. Okay, so come closer and we'll take a look. See, I'm opening the box. Wow, look at that. So beautiful. Okay, so let's see how this looks like. Okay. Before we open, we take a look at these. Okay. This is, what is this? This is the instruction manual. Okay. So let's open what's inside the instruction manual. Okay. This is the manual and the warranty card. Okay, it's good. And this is the instruction manual. It comes with different languages: English, Chinese, Japanese, German. So you see, also has visual pictures on it. Okay, what is this? This is the cable. Comes with its Velcro strap. So look at that. We'll go to this pretty soon. So it comes with this type of USB and plug adapter. Okay, and we got some adapter here. Okay, let's open it. So the adapter is for your Android device, mobile phone. You can see different type, C type, and look at that. It's amazing. Okay, this is the pen. Take this out. It's made of plastic and it's very light. So there's no batteries. Okay, so the pen is programmable. There's two buttons here. And it has a pressure of 8,192, and this is the ballpoint. So you can see this has no battery, so you don't have to worry about it running out of juice when you are doing your drawing. Okay, so the pen here comes with a pen holder. Okay, pen holder comes with these extra points, so if you run out of points, it wears off, you can have an extra to replace them. Okay, so the pen goes right here. Okay, you see, so you see the pen, so you can do it this way or this way, whichever you prefer. Okay, okay, that's it. So let's go to the tablet. Okay, tablet here, as you can see, the size is 174 mm, and here will be about 275 mm. It's a very workable pad, so you can work on it. So it has 10 express buttons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 16 programmable touch pads here. Okay, it's very easy to use, very smooth the surface, as you can see. So when I use my pen, there's no friction at all. Okay, let's flip the pad over here. So it comes with 4 pads to protect your tablet. Okay, okay. Let's see the port. So it comes with a port here, so you can connect it to here, as you can see. Boom. You can connect it to your PC or you can connect it to your phone. So this is my phone, so I'll get the adapter. Adapter's here. And from here you can connect it. So you can use the tablet with your phone. It's really neat. Okay. So the weight of the tablet is 612 grams. Okay, 612 grams. Okay, so I can see. So it's very light. Okay, very flexible. Very light, very flexible, very durable. Okay. So if you are thinking of buying a pen tablet and for beginners, the H1161 is one of the best options for you to choose. It's a beginner's tablet and it's very easy to use. All you have to do is just plug and play. So you can use it on your PC, you can use it on your Android phones. So, oh yes, okay. So this is it. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you again next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and press that notification button. Thank you.